Hello students, today we are going to study about plants and leaves which are very important to us to live. They give out oxygen which is needed for us to breathe. So students, in part 1 we will study about different types of plants and its uses. Plants are of different types. In this first category, trees comes. Big plants are called trees. They are the biggest plant. They absorb carbon dioxide and gives us oxygen to breathe. Mango, gulmohar comes under this. Moving to next is shrubs. A shrub or bush is a small to medium sized perennial woody plant. Unlike herbaceous plants, shrubs have persistent woody stems above the ground. Lemon, hibiscus, cotton comes under this. Any Moving to next is herbs. Any plant having thin, soft, and green stems with leaves, sheaths, and flowers used for flavoring food, medicines, or perfume is known as herbs. Coriander, mint, basil comes under this. Creepers are plants with weak stems that grow along the ground around another plant or up a wall by means of extending stems or branches. Watermelon, pumpkin, etc. comes under this. Moving to next is climbers. It is a weak stem plants that derive support from climbing up trees and other tall objects. Money plant, pea plant, grapevine comes under this. Now moving to next is our uses of plants. Plants are useful to us in many ways. They provide us with food, fiber, oxygen, rainfall, shelter, wood, rubber, medicines, paper, flowers, etc. Now moving to next, plants grows in different climate and different weather seasons. So depending on them, it is classified into many types. First is aquatic plant. Plant which grows in water is known as aquatic plant. Example lotus, lily, etc. Desert plants, the plants which grow in less rainfall area, that is known as desert plants. For example cactus, date plum, etc. Seacoast plants, plants which grows in coastal areas are known as seacoast plants. For example coconut tree. Plants in mountain slope. These plants grows in mountain slopes and places covered with snow. For example pine, fir, etc. Plants of moderate temperature, where summer and winter are of moderate, those plants are known as plants of moderate temperature. Oak and maple tree comes under this. So students, at last I want to share that plants are our green friends and we should always save them to live our life happily and safely. Thank you.